If you're choosing between the Xiaomi L1 Pro and the Xming Page 1, this is a classic smart features versus raw performance battle. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. The Xiaomi L1 Pro focuses on convenience. It's designed to just work. With autofocus, auto keystone, obstacle avoidance, and screen alignment, you can literally place it anywhere and it adjusts itself in seconds. It's also compact and easy to move around. The image quality is decent with 1080p resolution and around 400 lumens, but it performs best in darker rooms. The Xming Page 1 takes a different approach. It's brighter overall, which makes a noticeable difference in real-world use, especially if you're not always watching in a pitch-black room. It also comes with Google TV and official Netflix support, which is a big advantage for streaming. The trade-off is fewer smart automation features, so setup is slightly more manual compared to Xiaomi. So the real difference is this. Xiaomi is smarter and easier, while Xming is brighter and more practical for everyday viewing. If you want a projector that sets itself up automatically and works anywhere with minimal effort, go for the Xiaomi L1 Pro. If you want better image brightness, better streaming support, and a more usable picture in normal lighting, the Xming Page 1 is the better choice. Bottom line, the Xming Page 1 is the better overall projector for image quality and everyday use, while the Xiaomi L1 Pro wins for convenience and smart features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.